We've just acquired this Audi S5. It's in absolutely lovely condition. As you can see, it's got the RS5 front grille, the honeycomb grille on there, bumper. It's got the upgraded anthracite alloy wheels. It's in the best colour. The twin exhausts. It absolutely sounds awesome. Privacy glass to the rear. I'll turn it on in a minute, you can hear the exhausts going. Absolutely lovely leather interior, electric seats, S5 embossed. S5 steering wheel with paddle shift on the gearbox there for you. Just start the car up. Seat sounds lovely. It's got battery satellite navigation. It's got heated seats, climate control, media pack, Bluetooth connectivity. This has cruise control as well, automatic headlights. Quattro four-wheel drive. If you require any further information, at DJH we have full dealer facilities including warranty, part exchange and finance. Please call us on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.